hesitate to run up on your boy. 엉덩이 빵빵빵 남자들은 탐탐탐 내 입술 냠냠냠 어디 가도 당당당.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NISA NABILAH. Today, my friend Farah WAHIDAH and I want to share with you guys what is the reflection that can you guys get when studying Field 534. So Farah, what have you learned in this subject?
Thanks for asking, Nisa. This subject has taught me about the scope of business analytics, which cover descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Even though this may seem simple to some people, but they are not for me because I've been studying this subject and I love this subject. Business analytics will produce a smart business decision based on trusted evidence such as data and will entail a highly precise method to arrive at a flawless option for current and future outcome.
Wow, there's a lot of benefit that we will get when learning this subject. The next question is, what are the takeaways from this subject?
So what are the takeaways? To be honest, I didn't realize this thing could help me a lot, even in my real life, such as focusing data and techniques, which isolates or combine information and to identify and accurate causes and effects of relationships. Last but not least, I discovered W in these subjects that truly amazed me because it automatically generates a statistical data, graph, and many other items. As everyone knows, this software is truly great.
Amazing! The biggest takeaway of this subject is W, which is our lifesaver. In your opinion or view, what are the skills acquired from this project?
Okay, so for me personally, there are 3 skills acquired for this project, which are analytics, practical, and technical skills. These 3 skills really helped me out in this project. Like now, I can barely say that I understand this subject better than before. And now, I can explain how to analyze the data and make a better understanding, conclusions for everyone.
What a great explanation and various skills that we will get by completing this project. So Farah, will you using the skill in the near future?
My answer is 100% yes, Nisa. As I mentioned in my previous answer, I do believe that I will use these skills in the future because they enable me to be a good communicator and visualizer. For example, being able to present findings in a clear and concise manner is critical to ensure that all people understand the insights and can put their recommendations into practice, and my critical thinking is also required when making a flawless decisions based on the data outcome.
Great, I find it interesting and this subject will help us in the future. Last but not least, in your opinion, what are the benefits that you acquire from this project?
So the benefit that I have gained from these projects are, now I have a solid understanding on how to use the technology tools such as Microsoft Excel and Tableau to understand and process the data, as well as how to use the qualitative and quantitative methods to analyze and present the data in the simplest form. And I believe that the most significant benefit that I will gain from this project is it will assist me in doing my research later on. So with these projects, I will be able to generate some good research for my degrees. So now let me ask you one question, Lisa. Do you get along well with people? And how do you find working in a team?
For me personally, I enjoy working in a team environment and I get along well with people. I prefer teamwork. Different team members contribute different perspectives and the synergy between the team members can produce creative and productive results. Moreover, it boosts our confidence in contributing ideas to a project. It also improves our communication skills such as listening, taking instruction, and offering support and ideas. A successful team is when everyone's unique skill and strength help the team achieve a shared goal in the most effective way.
Ooh, what great teamwork, Nisa. Okay, when it comes to teamwork, there will be so much ideas and information, right? So, Nisa, how was the information we gathered?
Gathering information describes the process of acquiring knowledge. There are many techniques that can be used when gathering information. The techniques that we use are acquiring information, collecting and analyzing data, gathering knowledge, and many more. In addition, the sources and material that we use in our lab assignment project are from books, websites, articles, and others.
Nice explanation, Lisa. Okay, let's move on to the hard questions. How do you like best about this learning? Is it interesting or meh?
Yes, I like learning in this subject of business analytics and financial modeling. The topic is a very interesting topic which ranges from the transit from technical to the theoretical. From this subject, I learned how to organize data in an easy to navigate way, do basic and complex mathematical function when the data is in a large amount, and turn files of data into helpful graphics and charts. Moreover, the class is well prepared and informative where my lecturer, Madam Liyana, really spent much time on preparing the courses. Therefore, this subject is fun and interesting.
That's true, Lisa. Madam Liyana helps us a lot, but obviously there will be some difficulties, right? So, what are the difficulties have you faced in this learning?
The difficulties that I face in learning is, firstly, it's difficult to understand through hands-on session without face-to-face. This is because every time when learning through video, I have to pause the video in order to follow step by step and use multiple devices. Next is the internet connection. When it is raining, the internet will slow down.
Yeah, sometimes watching the videos and following their steps are so tiring and confusing, right? So, let me ask you one more question. Do you have any suggestions for improvement for this learning?
The suggestions for improvement for the learning are using various teaching methods such as demonstrate the theoretical in infographic, solve logical problems using cooperative operators, and learn to master the shortcuts in Excel. This course will be suitable for anyone seeking their career by learning more advanced Excel skills. The example of career are data analysis, advanced administration, finance, and others.
Wow, what a great answer, Nisa. And yo guys, I think we have come to the end of these reflection sections. And I really hope that you guys enjoy watching what we have been sharing just now. See you when I see you. Bye and Assalamualaikum.